Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today I'm gonna help you learn how to change your Walmart password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To change your Walmart password, go to your web browser and log into your account first. Once you're in, click on the account button at the upper right corner and click on account from the menu under manage account. You'll see the profile and password option. Click on it and you'll be sent to the next page. Under your password, you'll be able to see your password. Click on edit and enter your current password. Type in a new password on the next field and save the password by clicking on save. Your password has been successfully changed. That is how you can change your password on Walmart.com. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.